Guys, what's up people? Today is almost 10:30 in the evening Asia time here in Hong Kong, and today is December 12, 2020. Today is videos we're going to unbox our skincare product. Subukan natin, let's try to unbox this one. This one, I bought this one in Mannings. You know what's Mannings? Mannings here in Hong Kong, and I bought this one last Sunday. That was December 6, 2020. But then I didn't unbox before because I wait for my boss to go to. There, we're going to start to unbox. Okay, let's start. So this one, no, can you see it, guys? It's a deep clean. It's a deep clean, brightening, foaming cleanser. 5 brightening powers, 100 grams. And by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. So this is new Neutrogena deep clean brightening foaming cleanser. It's a 100 grams. So this is made in, I don't know, made in, this is made in Myanmar. So I bought this one in Mannings. So let us try, guys, if this is okay. So it says here 5 brightening powers. So let's try. It's me. Oh, not yet open. This one, and I bought this one. It's a Cornwich. What's that? I don't know how to pronounce. You see it, guys? This is a whitening Q10. It's a Q10 whitening medicated moist gel cream. This is a hand cream. Medicated moist gel cream. This is a hand cream, guys. So this will be expired 2025. This is made in Japan. So I bought this in Mannings also. This is a hand cream, guys. So it's a hand cream. It's there. 2. And I bought what is this? It's a K2Q. It's a K2Q. It's a Kate Vintage Mood Eyes PU2. This is for the eyes. It's going to try this, guys. So the color is it's a light brown. I think it's a light brown, light pink, violet and brown. There, the color is there. So let us try, guys, if this is okay. So, but I only use this color, this one, the 3 color. The brown one is not. I think the brown one is not good for me. But let us try. Tomorrow I'm going to use this one because tomorrow is my day off. It's Sunday, so let's try. And I bought MN2 lipstick Kiss Me blush. It's an MN2. So like this, it's a red. Let's try. You just put a little button. That's it. But I only put a little wine. I only put little bit. So I ordered this one and one friend. So this is and it's a product of and Crew. I think it's good. So there. And oh, no more. And then I bought Myra. This is product from Philippines. Fresh Glow Whitening Facial Moisturizer for Shine Free Look. So with Pro Radiance Complex and UV Protection. So beauty vitamins. After putting my cream, I always use this one, Myra, for moisturizing. And last one is I bought this one. This is here, Kale Cover Glow Cushion. This PF 50 plus, PA plus. So this is what 15 grams there. It's a foundation. It's a foundation. I know it's not a foundation. It's a Clay Care Cover Glow Cushion. So let's open, guys. How's this style? Uh-oh. Yung lipstick ko tuloy. So ayan siya. Let's open. Wow. So there. This is the cushion. And charan! Like that, guys. I think this is good. Let's try. Wow. I love it. Wow. It covered the dark spot for my pimples. The dark spot from the pimples. Wow. So pretty. I love it, baby. I love it, guys. And there is another one. I don't know what's this. It's an extra. See? It's an extra, guys. Oh. It's an extra. See? Please use after removing the film. Please close the lid fully after use. That's why this is, I think, I bought this one. Wait. I use APS to buy. I use APS to... this is not my receipt. This is my receipt for my APS. Because I use APS to pay my bill. So I bought this one for... Wow. Oh, that's why. It's very expensive. Oh my god. This is $299. I didn't notice it. I didn't check that price in there. I thought this is just 100 plus. This is $299. Oh my god. That's why. Where is I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, only 5 pieces. It's already 508. IP 508. So there. This one I'm going to use it tomorrow because it's my holiday. Of course, I'm so excited to use it. And then my eye for the eyes. That's it. And then this is for face, for facial, for cleaning. And then this is for hand. I always use hand cream day and night to protect our hands, because our hands today is very cold, so we need to use hand cream. And there, that's it, guys. And yeah, by the way, I'm using this kind of this is product from Philippines. I'm using placenta for my face only. So ayan lang. placenta for butt soup. I use only placenta for my face, so that's my secret. Secret of being And yeah guys, by the way, I bought also this one last Sunday. This kind of tripod, but so heavy. But we can take out this one by wait. I cannot use my other hands because my one hand is holding my phone. So there, like this, can take out, can remove it because this is very heavy, and I have one and two. You can put, if you have two phones, you can put it both. So there, like that. But my phone is not enough in this, so I need to take, when I used this one a while ago, I need to take out my phone's case because not enough. So there, I bought this one in Shamshoy Pula sa $38, only $38. There's no box because when I asked the lady, she told me that no need for box, so she just gave me like this. She gave me it naked. She gave me it naked. She gave me naked. So there. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the like, and of course don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below and share it also if you wanted to. And maraming salamat. See you again on my next video. Good night Europe, and good morning to all Asian, and good afternoon. Bye.